In this video, we're going to take a look at the iFootage Spider Crabs MA34 7-inch magic arm. This is a really high quality magic arm that I've never had a magic arm that's this durable. The whole thing just feels really heavy and heavy duty. It's super high quality. The knob to tighten is very solid as well, and it has a bunch of different articulation points. Probably the coolest thing about the iFootage system is they have these built-in quick releases that are just super cool. To take them out, you just open the buckle, press in, and then it just pulls right out. And they have these little holes in them that align with the lock. So they're super sturdy once you get them locked onto a piece of gear. Another thing that's really cool about these quick releases is that they have both a 3/8 inch screw and the screw presses down to reveal a 1/4 screw. They also have these two anti-rotation lock pins that can be used with certain equipment as well. This makes them super sturdy and compatible with a bunch of different gear, whether you're using it for camera rigging or you're using it for a monitor, for a microphone, for an audio recorder. These magic arms are really useful. Probably the worst thing about it is just how heavy they are when you compare it to other magic arms, but this can also be a good thing too, as you feel like this could really support the weight of a camera or anything that you want to throw on it. iFootage also includes this cold shoe adapter, which is really neat because you can use it as a coupler to put two of these together. So if you needed to string two of these arms together, this is perfect for doing that as well. If you don't want to use the cold shoe adapter, it just unscrews from your quick release, and just like that, you've got two quick releases ready to go. Another thing I really appreciate about this magic arm is that the teeth on it just feel really overbuilt. So once you get it locked into place, there's no rotation on the center, where a lot of other magic arms, if you don't get it tight enough, or even if you crank it down all the way, it can still rotate. One thing I don't like as much about this magic arm is that this knob doesn't pop out, so depending on where you have it located on your rig, the knob can get in the way and you might have to move it out of the way before you can tighten it down. So that can be a little bit of an issue. Another thing is, since you have these quick releases, it just makes it really heavy and it can be a little cumbersome to use because you have to attach these onto your items separately before you can slot it in. But this is also a positive because it keeps whatever gear you're using super solid on the magic arm. iFootage also has a version of this magic arm that doesn't have the quick release system. So if you still want a super solid magic arm that is way overbuilt but without using the quick release, then those are a great option. And I have links for this magic arm and all the other gear I'm using in the description below, so be sure to check that out. This is the 7-inch magic arm. They also have an 11-inch version of this that would be better for using with a monitor on a tripod, and they're very expensive. So this one retails for about $90, and I think the 11-inch one is about $110. So these are pretty pricey for magic arms, especially when you compare them to a lot of the ones that Small Rig and some other companies are making. But after using a bunch of different magic arms, I gotta say, these are the strongest and these are my favorite, and they feel like a buy it for life kind of items. So you kind of just got to disregard the price and stock up on these because you'll find a bunch of different things to use them for, and you're going to want a whole collection of them. Another piece of equipment that's really useful to use with these is the iFootage PC01 clamp. And this is a great way to actually mount these on a tube or a tripod or a light stand. It's just going to give you a lot of mounting flexibility when you don't have a 1/4 or a 3/8 inch screw available on a piece of gear that you're trying to attach this to. So these clamps are really useful. Unfortunately, they also cost about $40. I wish for the price that iFootage charged for these that they could include the clamp, because that would just take this whole kit to the next level. They also include the clamp with the SA32 support arm, which I have another video about that, so be sure to check that video out too. So to tie it all up, these Spider Crabs arms are super sturdy, and I've never had another magic arm that feels quite as tough and durable as these. If you're interested in buying your own set of them, I have links in the description below. Again, they're expensive, but I would recommend just picking up a few of them here and there. See if you can find them on sale, because these are going to come in handy for your video gear kit. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found value in this content. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech camera reviews.